Why do 73% of people believe their thoughts can change their appearance? What if simply picturing smoother, healthier skin could actually make it real? Let's explore how visualization might be your secret beauty tool. Picture this. Every day you close your eyes and imagine your face smooth, glowing, full of life. Sounds too good to be true? Science says, not entirely. Visualization, focusing your mind on positive change, has been shown to reduce stress, which is a major cause of premature aging and wrinkles. When you combine this with deep breathing, you're not just relaxing, you're boosting circulation and helping your body heal. Imagine each breath filling your skin with new energy, each exhale releasing tension. Over time, your brain can actually start to believe and reflect these positive images. Add in healthy habits, like sunscreen, hydration, good sleep, and your daily visualization becomes even more powerful. So if you want to heal and reveal your most beautiful, youthful face, try this. See it, feel it, believe it, every single day. Your best self might be just a thought away.